Hi everyone. Thanks for taking time out of your busy day and joining us on this coffee break. While you're here, I'd like to discuss a few of our new innovations for your hard-to-machine applications. Here at Mikron Tool, we believe that it's our responsibility to provide you with the best tool for your tough jobs. This is never more true than when it comes to the machining of superalloys. Drilling holes in an exotic material may seem like a daunting task at first, but when you're able to take advantage of our Crazy Drill Cool SST inox's material-specific geometry and high-efficiency coolant holes, we're able to provide you a consistent performance at depths up to 40 times diameter. When it comes to milling, our Crazy Mill Cool family of end mills offers high-speed performance, largely in part due to the incorporation of through-the-shank coolant and the ability to maintain a consistent temperature at the cutting edge. Proper tool geometries and coolant deliveries are only half the battle. Having the right size tool really completes the job. With this in mind, Mikron Tool is happy to announce the expansion of our catalog to include fractional sizes to better support our US partners. Our catalog will provide sizes from a 1/16 of an inch to a 1/4 inch. When you need the right tool for the right job, Mikron Tool is happy to provide it for you. Thanks for taking this time out of your day. I look forward to working with you soon. Thank you.